Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce a new online tool that I developed to convert Excel and SPSS files into Mplus data files and also to produce the corresponding Mplus input file. So I will use two data sets to demonstrate this. Let's start with the SPSS file. Now, as a general rule, you know that Mplus doesn't accept string or character variables. So if you have those variables in your dataset, you have to remove them first. All of your variables should be numeric, no string variables or other types of variables. Now here I have this dataset, SPSS dataset, 43 variables, and my sample size is 240. You can have two types of missing values. Empty cells is accepted. Also user-defined missing values. If you check the variable view, you see that 99 is an indicator of missing values defined by the user. So you can have both types of missing values. As you can see, I have empty cells and 99. So let's convert this file into an Mplus data file. Go to the website and find the folder you are interested in. This is my folder, and I'll start with the SPSS file. Open it. Now, this is in your Mplus data file and code. You need an indicator of missing values. And my favorite number is -999, but you can choose any other values, a number that doesn't exist in your data set. If you want to give your data set and your input file a name, you can choose it here. But if you don't give it a name, it just simply uses the name of the initial data set. So after uploading the file, you'll see that it tells you that the file was successfully uploaded with 240 rows and 43 columns. And here already you can see that the Mplus input file input content is also produced. Now, if you have character variables, string variables, you'll get an error message here that some of your variables are character variables. And so there's a problem there. Now, after uploading and checking that your file has uploaded correctly and you see the missing values are recognized here, download the data set in the same folder or in a different folder. You can create a new folder here. But the important point is these two files, the data set and the input file, should be in the same folder. So I just downloaded in the same folder and also download the input and plus input file in the same folder. Let's go to the folder. Now you see two files are added. One is the dataset and plus dataset, and this is the Mplus input file. As long as this Mplus input file and the dataset are in the same folder, this section of the code will work perfectly. You see the names of your variables are pasted here for you, and also Mplus is told that your missing data indicator is -999. Actually, you can run this code already and get some descriptives. This is my favorite part of the output. This is where you get univariate sample statistics, and these are descriptive statistics for your variables. You can compare them with SPSS results to make sure everything is correct. For Excel files, you put the variable names in the first row. And so the program can easily extract these variable names for you. Here, you can have two types of missing empty cells and cells marked with #null exclamation mark. So null cells and empty cells. So these are recognized as missing values by the program. Let's also convert this file into an Mplus file. Upload the Excel file and wait for this message. File read successfully with 240 rows and 43 variables. Now this time, let's try giving it a different name, data2. download the data file and input file into the same folder. Here you see that I created an Mplus data file and called data2 and an Mplus input file called data2. So click on it. You see that as long as this file and the data file are in the same folder, you can run this code.